I know what it's like to be broke and struggling to make ends meet. But then I discovered the power of passive income, and it changed my life. Earning passive income refers to generating income with minimal active involvement. Like everything though, there is a catch. At the start you either need to invest time or capital. So let me tell you about 5 ways I earn passive income. You can create digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software. You can earn as customers purchase and download them. Affiliate marketing involves promoting people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. You can join affiliate programs through your website, blog, or social media channels. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. Pick them wisely. Renting out properties can provide a steady stream of income. This one is not going to be cheap though, or without hassle. While this option sounds boring, opening a high-yield savings account can still provide a steady source of passive income. Slow and steady wins the race. Ignore the haters and start now for a better tomorrow.